Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. So today's vlog guys, papakita ko sa inyo ang ating merienda ngayong araw at ating siopaw na binili ni Mrs. And with matching loaf bread. Hi love.
Hello. Hi.
Hindi ko kita mukha mo.
Hi.
Hello. So itong siopaw, we usually buy our bread at the bread house guys. Kasi masarap ang tinapay nila. It's a little pricey dito sa Edmonton. It's a little pricey but I would say worth it naman guys kahit mahal siya. And there's a lot of my coworkers who goes to bread house to buy their bread needs kasi masarap nga. So kakainin natin siopaw for today. At paki-open lahat siopaw. Ilagay natin sa cellphone dito. Patakamin ko kahit sa aking kakainin. So cellphone siopaw and pandesal. So itong siopaw natin guys. So what we got is siopaw pork. Yan. Itong kakainin natin. And I still got a pandesal here. Daming pwedeng parkingan dito pa. Dito pa sumingit saan tayo nakapark. So ang kakainin natin guys ay ang siopaw na masarap. Usually on my siopaw I don't put ketchup. There are some people when they eat they put ketchup. Medyo malaking steering wheel natin. Lagay ko lang dito. Bubuksan din. So our merienda for today is pork siopaw or steamed pork from bread house. So guys, yan, kain tayo with matching papel. Yan mo itong papel may papel pa ito. Ang tigas ng siopaw niya.
Kasi may papel.
Gutom ka na guys, you don't think about the papel, basta kain ka ng kain. So paborito kong siopaw is asado. May asado ba sa yan? Wala. Pabili mo pork pero hindi asado.
Ito lang meron sila.
So ewan ko kung asado to, but it just says here steamed pork bun. So I don't know kung asado, hindi namin natanong. Masarap din yung chicken siopaw kasi may itlog. Pero ito, pork siopaw, I would say okay din. Masarap din. Ang lalo pag nagugutom ka, masarap ang siopaw. So, yung bread nila dito, I would say it's also good because it's buttery. Now it's good if you toast it and you put peanut butter or strawberry jam. It's really good guys. Kakain natin ngayon ay ang siopaw and then later kakain tayo ng pandesal. I'm going to show you how meaty our siopaw is guys. Kaya natanggalin papel bago choke ang bilaukan guys. I don't know if you know the word bilaukan. Actually that's a Batanggenyo word. Choke na lang. Kasi kanina nga yung kumakain ako mayroon pa palang papel. So itong ating masarap na siopaw. Ngayon tayo guys sa labas ng Freshco. Just a lot of people coming here because there's less people but medyo mahal guys, pero I would say na may mga items din naman sila na mura. Kaya pupunta tayo mamaya dyan mamalengke. Ito ang Freshco guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Yan. Yung color green na yan, that's Freshco. Pag nagugutom kami, we just buy any stuff. We go to the store or food chain like McDonald's or Wendy's. And then we just eat inside the car guys. Paggutom na. Pero as much as possible, gusto namin magluto sa bahay. Si Mrs. may magluto. So nagluluto rin sa bahay. Pag ito guys, pag emergency. Kasi my son is doing his drums right now. And I just drop him and then since we're hungry, we decided to go to bread house and buy siopaw. Actually, once I'm done eating this, I think this is already good for supper because I already got carbohydrates, and right now I like to trim down. Although I like food, but since we're not getting any younger, we need to minimize our carbohydrate intake and our sugar intake. Pwede tayo tumaba. Ito yung tirang pandesal ko, guys. Masarap siya kasi mainit-init pa. And this is really good for peanut butter because I like peanut butter. And this is also good for like my wife. She likes sardines. So this is also good for sardines, guys. Yun, magigisa ka ng sardinas and then you eat the sardines with bread, or you eat the bread with sardines. And of course, you cannot just have the regular Coke. Unfortunately, I thought this is Coke Zero, but you got the regular Coke. Anyway, I'll just drink a little bit of it. I won't finish everything kasi wala tayong panulat, guys. Ayun sila, Coke Zero?
No, it's regular.
Mabuti hindi kami kumuha ng chichirya kasi if you like to go for a diet or on diet, you should also refrain from eating junk foods. Kaya I have some junk foods at home. Tumitikim-tikim lang ng konti. And now, I just eat a little amount of junk food just to what do you call that? Just for my craving, guys. Kunting junk food lang, and then drink a lot of water. And if I drink pop, I just drink Coke Zero. One Coke Zero a day, I'm okay. Pangtanggal ko lang, guys, sa sumot or sawa, I don't know. Kaya nag-Coke Zero ako. Actually, if you drink juice, it's also considered sugary stuff, so nakakataba din yun. And when I started eating cauliflower rice, I noticed that there's the big changes on my weight, like from 173, I'm 169 now. So I'm just planning to be, I would say, 160, and I'm going to show you guys when my weight starting to lose, or I would say diminish or disappear. So I just want to enjoy food, just want to enjoy life, but I also need to refrain from eating some stuff that are not good for my body. Tikim-tikim lang, guys, pwede na. Tingnan nyo, ha, I just ate my siopaw and a little bit of pandesal, and I'm looking at the time now. It's already like around 8 minutes 23 seconds. That's how fast the time is, and that's how easy to vlog it. Eat, vlog, and then see it's already 8 minutes. Okay, till next time, mag-food vlog ulit tayo sa kotse. Hindi natin anong pili natin kainin, but anything that's good for the eyes, kasi lahat tayo gusto natin kumain, I will vlog that, guys. Okay, till next time, don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, whatever. Prince Poppy's vlog. Till next time, bye bye and peace out, guys.